Alrighty, here we are, Don Burnett's place, looking at his new toy. This is a soil sifting device.
I grew up in the industry, and my grandfather had made one similar to this that I used when I was young, right up into my 20s. We used it until we got some more modern machinery to sift soil. This basically comes from the fact that this bin that I made, I had to do this to shake all my roots. I saved my soil from year to year, the container soil, and of course it's got roots and bits and pieces of things in there, and you want to make it back to a nice viable soil. And so I made this to do this, but I found, guess I'm getting a little elderly now, my shoulders aren't the way they were, and it really bothered my shoulders to be doing this all the time. So I thought, well, we'll do something. So I looked up on the internet, and this is an accumulation of ideas off the internet. I fabricated this steel framework, and we used this reciprocating saw to run it. And so basically, this isn't really demonstrating it as well as it could, because the soil that I'm putting in here is pretty clean and pretty. But it'll take all the little roots and things out of it, and so I just basically fire it up like this. And you're left with the rocks and bits
chunks
and pieces and chunks in here, and end up with a nice sifted soil.
So I guess you could change the size of your screening.
Absolutely. You can put some finer screening in there too.
Yeah.
This is more, this works well for me just to recycle the old soil from last year. I put all my containers, cut the plants off, of course, throw the thing into the soil bin for the winter. And it does break some down a little bit, but it's still, I find in the spring, even though I chop it up with a shovel, there's roots and things in there that have to come out, and this is what does it. So I'm quite pleased with the way it turned out.
And then this I saw you disconnect the bit there, just like a normal bit.
This comes off, and this is I put a little bearing in here to help with the thing, and then this comes off. It's just stored away, and this all comes apart. These flip up, and the board comes off, and of course, and I can put it away for the winter and store it away.
Right.
Tight. It doesn't take up much room. I don't have a large yard, so
And just a few wing nuts here.
Yep. There you go.
Cool. Well, there you go. That's super cool. I love your soil sifter there, Don. All right. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Bye.